Now we will go through some examples of non-economic activities or non-business transactions. So here it is saying in first example, strike in a farm may lead to considerable financial loss to the business. However, such loss cannot be measured in terms of money, so it will not be a business transaction. So here it is saying if there is a strike in the farm, so because of strike, what will happen? Obviously, the workers will stop doing production activities, and if the production activity will be stopped, then there is a financial losses in the business. But these financial losses that is happening in the business because of strike cannot be expressed in terms of money. So it is not a business transaction because this is a non-monetary transaction. So non-monetary transactions are not part of your business activities. In second example, it is saying Ram sold 2 shirts to Sam in exchange of 20 kgs of rice. So here what is happening? Ram is selling shirts in exchange of rice. So this kind of activities is also not a business transaction. This system is known as your barter system. Now we will discuss about your types of transactions. So there are two types of transactions. One is your cash transaction and second one is your credit transaction. So first we will discuss about the cash transaction. Here cash transactions means it is saying in case of cash transaction the amount paid or received at the time of transaction itself. So in case of cash transaction it is saying that when there is a exchange of or when we are paying the money or receiving the money immediately at the time of transaction occurred, this is your cash transaction. Now we will go for this example. So in this example, assume that on 15th April 2020, Ram sold 2-piece shirt to Sam for 1000 and Sam paid the amount on the same date, that is 15 April 2020. So this is one type of your cash transaction because the transaction takes place on the same date and the money is paid by the Sam on the same date. Okay, so this is your cash transaction.